So the person who donates $100 after earning $1,000 will get 100 times more sawab than a person who donates $1 million after he earns $1 billion. So while giving charity, you cannot say I'm poor. Whatever you are, whatever you have, how much are you willing to sacrifice? What percentage of your income, whether it be $1 or $10 or $1,000 or $1 million, Allah will look at the percentage, not on the amount. And therefore I say to all the people, whether rich or whether middle class or whether poor people, that make it a habit to give a percentage of what you earn in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, and see how your income, how your earnings, how your savings keep on increasing. These first 7 points, every Muslim in the world can do, whether rich or poor, black or white, whether Arab or non-Arab, whichever part of the world is saying. He has no excuse of not praying for the Palestinian brothers and sisters, not praying for the victory for them, not spreading it one-to-one on the group, on the social media, not telling to the 10 important people that he knows personally, seeing to it that he conveys in the place he works, in the college he or she studied, in the university, make it more common, see to it that he joins the protest in large numbers against the unjust regime of the Zionists, the Israelis, that he boycotts the product of the Israelis and those countries supporting Israel. And last is contribute whatever he can in the way of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala.